this short video, I'll be making a quick wall mount rack for my tape measures. To make this, I'll be using a couple screws, a scrap of wood about 5/16 of an inch thick, and a used hacksaw blade. This rack puts my tape measures right at hand above my workbench, instead of them being strewn about my workshop. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for a tape measure, so this is going to be a big help. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.